working. Ah, this yummy sweet smell. It's not as easy as I thought. Sue, I need your help.
Sammy, why are you yelling? What happened?
I need something to distract me from those sweets.
Don't worry. Of course I'll help you. I already have a great idea.
Here you go, Sue. I found every single stress-relieving toy we had.
Great. And I promise we'll use them all. But first, we need a special cardboard shape. Voila! Now let's turn it into a small box and make it bright. But that's just the beginning. And now the fun part. This will be the lid. Sammy, come check it out. Isn't it fun?
It is fun, but what's with the eyes?
Oh, right! We'll glue them on this side. Now you can play with this box this way too.
Wow, can I try?
Wait, we aren't done yet. Here we'll have a unicorn cat squishy. This side will be covered with bubble wrap. And the blinking ducky goes here.
Don't forget about these.
Thank you. Aw, what a pretty toy we've got. You can play with it in so many ways. Sammy, what do you think? Is it distracting enough?
It's absolutely amazing. Thank you, Sue.
Everything for you, my friend.
Oh ho! Sue, what a cool squishy! Can I have one just like this too?
Sure, we can easily make such a squishy.
Cool! Then can it look like some drink, maybe?
How about a carton of milk?
Here's some tape to prevent any leaks.
Good one, Sammy. Now we need to make a few cuts to be able to fold it like this. Alrighty, this part is done.
Sue, it's taking so long. My hair turned gray.
Almost done. Now I'll just seal it, and we have a cool, squishy carton of milk.
Yay! Just what I wanted.
Okay, Sammy, what's next?
How about a stress ball?
You've got it! We need a few balloons. Now, I'll carefully cut off the top part of one of them.
Oh no! Why?
Just wait, and you'll see. We need to inflate this balloon. Ah, perfect! Now let's put them together. How should we decorate it?
I know. Let's draw a pink heart.
Great idea, Sammy. Oh, it looks so cute now. I even made one more.
Don't I look charming?
Definitely. But I need these for the craft. Look at these lovely anti-stress balls.
Wow! Sue, they are the cutest! I'll play with them! Oh, this is gonna be a relaxing bath!
Next we need… Huh, Sammy?
This is so good!
Excuse me, mister, but I need these.
Brr, feels great. I need a towel.
And done. Now for the next stage, we need a balloon again.
Whoa, looks cool, but what's that?
I was just about to show you. See, that's an easy way to fill up the balloon. And now we have another fun toy to play with.
I am totally ready to test it.
Yay! Cool!
Here you go, Sammy.
Wow!
Sue, I'm hangry like a tiger. I need sweets.
Like a tiger, you say? Okay, I have one more idea for a cool toy.
you writing a letter? At mine too.
It really does look like an envelope for letters. But it's actually something very different. You'll see very soon. Oh, it's not so easy to fold so many layers. Now tell me, do you already see a tiger here?
No! It doesn't look like a tiger at all.
Right, we need a few more touches. How about now?
Yes! It does look like a tiger!
Let me just glue everything here. Let's bend it a bit. And here we go. Do you like it, Sammy?
I don't like it. I love it. Sue, I'm starving! I have to eat the candy!
You have to stay strong. And I'll make something yummy for you. Now to the coloring. Let's cut it out. And make it look more real. Awesome!
What? Is it ready?
Almost.
Wow, so bright!
It has to be, to brighten up your mood. Now check this out. So stretchy.
What a great toy, Sue! Give it to me! I'm not even hungry anymore! I've just almost dropped my phone. What if it happens again?
Okay, let's make a case for it. And I already know what design to choose. It's gonna be blue. And patterned.
Who said pattern?
Ah, thank you. Now let's put this design in a transparent phone case. But that's not all. And now comes the slimy part of the craft.
Maybe I'd better take a nap.
But what about your record? Let's continue. We need to put this slime inside.
Why are you doing all this?
To turn the balloon into a squishy. It goes here and voila!
Wow, it'll help me stay awake and set a new record. Thanks. I don't get it. Sue, what's this weird thing you're doing?
It's not weird at all. It's part of our next craft. Now we need to make lots of small cuts, like this. Let's fold these little flaps outward.
Sue, can I help you?
Yes, I need foam paper.
I hope you needed the yellow one.
Yep, thank you very much. Now, I also need a marker.
Here's your marker, Susie.
Great! Now watch carefully. Time to cut it out! Now these go together and a yellow balloon goes inside. We need a cute face here. Our Pikachu toy is ready and we can play.
How does it even… Huh?
Sammy, come here. I've got a surprise for you.
Really? Wow! What's inside? Please tell me!
Patience, my friend. Let's do it step by step.
Sue, you've lost a bottle!
Oh, thanks. Friends, you're gonna need an adult to help you with this. Now I'll put this piece inside the cup. And another one, but this one with a twist. It works! Great! Here goes the top part of the bottle.
Sue, are we gonna use these boxes or what? Tell me!
All right, it's time to reveal the secret. That's it.
It's candy? I can't believe my eyes! I've waited so long! I can finally have some candy!
That's right.
Open it, Sue! Come on! Woohoo!
And one candy for me. Now let's have a look at all our crafts at once.
I'm sure that these toys will distract me from eating too much candy, Sue. They're all so squishy and bright. I'll play with them every day. If you liked our crafts, folks, make sure to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel too. Thanks for watching.